Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok story upload stacks error. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's proceed with our tutorial. So here we want to open our TikTok app. And after that, you will need just to check some stuff so you can make sure that it's not a problem with the app or it's not a problem with your phone or internet connection. So always check your internet connection first. You can try to upload a mock video, so you can simply go to upload or just share anything and then share just a simple image. So you take a simple image and try to go next and try to share it normally to your profile. So no need like to go to your story. So if it's posted, that means that there is no problem with your internet connection. And after that, you will be able to try again with your story because sometimes it can be just one time stack issue. So just try to repost your story. You will go to upload and then add your story again and just post it there. Otherwise, if this problem still persists, you will need just to try to clear the cache of your app because sometimes only the cache uh, do such problems because they will be conflicting and stuff, and you will be needing just to clear the cache. So you can simply hold click on your app, go to the app info, and after that you will need just to go to the storage. So here we will need to search for storage. We go and clear the cache. It's not clear storage. If you clear storage, you will uh, delete all your drafts and stuff, and you will not have anything there. So after clearing the cache, we need just to restart and check. And if it's not working, just restart your app. So force stop it. So go and app info and force stop your app and then restart the app, and normally that should work. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.